All right. Please tell me your name and your experience after getting self healing and transformation Reiki.
Yes,
Uh,
Assalamualaikum Shua. I'm Ayesha Samia Niazi, and though I know you since my childhood, but I never knew that you have done so much in your life, and you have studied a lot about mind sciences, and then you got this expertise in Reiki. Whenever you are around, I don't know why we all start feeling happy because there's a purity inside you. You are a real healer. Seriously, you are a healer. So composed, so humble. You have never flaunted, and I don't know how you kept it in yourself for so long from us. And then God bless you. And we started getting therapy from you. And after our first session, I don't know. I just can't explain the feeling. I was like flying in the air. I was floating in the water, and I've been patient for 28 years, and I am on medication of depression. But at that time, I felt like I have taken so many relaxants, though I did not had even one tablet at that time. But when you were doing the therapy and you were like speaking so beautifully, and it was getting inside our soul, and our soul was happy with your first therapy. And when you finished it, I felt like that, I am in the middle of sky somewhere, and Shaw is telling me to now get down. And I never wanted to come down, but I had to because I have to take care of other things as well. So I came back, and then I felt nice, and there is a treatment which is known as rTMS. So I went for that. So I paid quite a sum of money, and I got all right. But let me tell you honestly, Shwa, that with Reiki and
the
you
visual
have
therapy.
you yeah you have amazing energy which comes out of your hand, and I feel it. I can feel it, that it is going inside me, and that bad energy is coming out of me. And it is honestly equivalent to 10 rTMS.
Yeah.
But I felt so good that I want you to do it daily to me. So you leave everything in the world and you're next to me, and uh, keep doing that to me. But of course, you can't do that. Anyway, I am thankful to you, whatever you did to me. And honestly speaking, like since 28 years, I'm on medication. And of course, nobody is interested in my sob stories. So I would say that everybody have problems in their lives, and they go through it. And the same way I went through those all, but my body took a toll. But now, Alhamdulillah, though I'm in the middle of the sessions, I feel 70% okay.
Wow.
And inshallah, with God's help, and if I keep trusting God and God's energy and whatever God has gifted you, then I'll keep getting the treatment of Reiki. Thank you, Shua. Thank you so much. It is beautiful. And I hope one day I'll say that please leave all the medications, everyone, and come to Shua and get it done. Thank you. Thank you. And praise to be Allah.
Thank you.